Hello guys, it's a new day and today is the 8th of April. Today I should be implementing the autosave system. Save the game every time an important action is taken. I couldn't finish all the blocks and I haven't added all the props and crops. So now I'm late with 2 days, but I think today I can catch up because today's task is actually quite simple. And before I do the save the game every time an important action is taken, I think I'm just gonna go with the easier way to do it is just like auto save every, let's say 10 seconds or something like that. So then the game is gonna be automatically saved every 10 seconds. But we also could save every time an important action is taken. We could do that easily with a interface or something. But I'm gonna think about that. For now, let's just jump onto the game and see how things are looking like right now. So I added a few structures. Yeah, I have bought a package and I got that windmill, that barn from that package. And I think the style quite matches the rest of the things. I realized of a few problems I have. Let's see if I can fix those. So one of the problems is that my stone blocks are disappearing. And the other one, and I think is a float point precision related issue, is that sometimes the blocks move around, so they don't save the exact location where they were saved at. And what else? Here's the oh yeah, this I need to fix that too. Let's take a look if we can fix that one first. I think that one is the easiest one. I usually just try to start clearing the easier ones first. So I think here I should remove these and that's just gonna fix it. It's just some old code that I forgot to remove, and that's why the image of the frame was being changed to a fence, and then the image inside was also the image of the fence. So yeah, there it is, fixed one. I think the other problem I do have, that stone blocks are not being saved, if I'm not wrong, should be here in stone block on the script. Yeah, I have to, this is my bad coding, this should be done automatically, but the block type should be stone. And I could do that right from the script, actually. Stone block here. I don't know why I did not do that. Yeah, actually it's done here. So I don't know why it was not working. Let's see if I can set it. Oh yeah, I know what happens. So since this was a public variable, I was setting it here, but whatever you set on the inspector is gonna override that. Alright? And that's why this was having some problems. So since the block was the block type was none, it was not being properly saved. Alright, so now if I try this, probably the blocks are still missing, but we can try adding new blocks, stone blocks. Let's see if I can edit there. And let's see, save, and now if I load this, the blocks should be there. So yeah, now it's remembering those blocks. Awesome. So that's 2 problems out of, I think I said 3. What was the last one? I already forgot the third problem I had. Oh yeah, the precision thingy. So this one is gonna be a little bit more difficult. We can take a look at the save file. So let me go quickly to my save file. Save here and save. And let's see here, find minus 0.35f. No, yeah, no, it cannot find it. So we're loading something at this position, 0.3503632, but it's not even in the save file. So when I'm loading, probably there is some errors. I need to work on that, and I will let you know when I fix that. But that's one problem that we have to figure out. And oh yeah, let me show you. I made the icons of the blocks. Made the water block, stone block, grass block, dirt block. I also have the sand block here. sand block. So the icon for the sand block is this one. There you go. Here it is, the sand block icon. So we have a pixel style icon for each of these, and I made these by hand. I can show you how I made those. And I decided not to do the here. So because I was running against the clock, I decided to just do these 5 blocks. I didn't do the magma block or the lava block, especially because I wanted to give it some special function, like when you put things on top of that block, they will like burn or something, like in Minecraft, and that will require even longer to do, so even more time. I needed to also crop on here, crop on the crops. I'm not doing the apple tree and the onion for now, because right now I should be working on the save function. So it really will depend on how I handle all the things all the way here, and if by the 10th of April I have added, like I finish all this stuff, I can probably finish the lava block and also these 2 crops. But yeah, that's how it's looking. So now today I'm gonna focus on working on the autosave, and yeah, and I will keep updating you guys, and probably on the next vlog I will show you the autosave function working. So alright guys, take care, wash your hands, and I'll see you all around on the next vlog, development vlog.